If you're a landlord in Illinois and need a solid residential lease agreement that's easy to use, professionally formatted, and available as a digital PDF download or a professionally printed packet, this video will walk you through what we offer and how it works. This Illinois lease is part of the Landlord resources available through AmericanLandlord.com. We work with rental property owners and managers who want reliable paperwork without spending hours trying to piece together documents from different sources. Our Illinois residential lease agreement is designed for single-family homes, condos, and townhomes, and it's structured in a clear format so most of the terms are easy to enter and easy for landlords and tenants to understand. At the front of the lease is a summary page where you will enter key details like tenant names, rent amount, due date, lease term, and more. That way everything important is in one place instead of scattered across multiple pages. The lease also accounts for local rules such as Chicago and Cook County with radar disclosures and more. It's available either as an instant PDF download or a professionally printed packet that's mailed to you on premium archival quality paper. And if you want more than just the lease, we also offer a complete Illinois rental forms kit. This kit includes the lease plus commonly used documents like a rental application and move-in condition checklist. If you're preparing for a new tenant or just want ready-to-go paperwork, the full kit can help save time and keep everything consistent. You can order your Illinois residential lease agreement or the full Illinois rental forms kit today by visiting AmericanLandlord.com.